open up Internet and sign into Google. I'm going to click on Google Apps. If we would like to create a document, there's various different ways in which we could do this. The first and the easiest way is just to click on Docs. This will open up Google Docs for you to start. I, however, am going to click on Drive. And the reason why I like to do this is I can then put it in exactly where I would like to have. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call this folder Junk, which is just a place where I'm going to put all my junk sort of files that I don't really need. In Junk, I'm going to double click, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the New button. And under New, we've been using folders before, but now you can see there's Google Docs, Google Sheets, Slides, and if I click on More, there's all the other forms, drawings, maps, sites, and drawings and diagrams that I could be using. For now, however, I'm going to click on Google Docs. I'm going to choose a blank document, and this is like any other word processor. It will allow you to do all different various sort of things. And the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to, in this untitled document part, I'm going to type in doc1, which is my sample. And that's how you rename a file. What we can now do is you can type in all different sorts of things. We could highlight that, we could change the font size, make it bold, italics, we can change the different font color, we could highlight it, we can make it center aligned, numbered, bulleted, and all various other sorts of things as well. We can also share this with other people. So if I click on share, it will now ask me who would I like to share this with. And I'm going to share this with itshare at HoValleySchool.org, and I'm now going to click on send. Over here we can decide whether they can edit it, or whether they can comment on it, or whether they can view it. I'm going to allow them to be able to edit it so we can work on the same things at the same time. I'm going to click on send. You can now see that I have shared this with one person. If I now go back to my Google Drive, in my junk folder, you will notice that I now have one document called doc1. If I'd like to create a new file, which is a sheet, I'm going to click on Google Sheet, and once again, under the untitled spreadsheet, I'm going to call this spreadsheet 1, and I'm going to write two different numbers, and I'm going to write a formula that will add these two numbers up. Equal sum, open bracket, A3 plus B3, close my bracket, and press enter. And there we go. I'm going to go back to my Google Drive, and this time you will notice I have two documents, a doc and a spreadsheet. If I select new, I can now click on slides, or I would like you to perhaps click on drawings, and in drawings you can make your own drawing. So under untitled drawing, I'm going to call this drawing 1 and press enter.